Right, we've got to describe this function, and it's essentially split up into 3 bits. So there we go. I'm trying to join up. Oh, that's not bad. There we go. Right, cool. So we've got 3 bits. Essentially, the first bit goes from -1 x, and so it should be equal to 2. Okay. Actually, sorry, it shouldn't be equal to as well, should it? Okay, so it stops there. So that's just going to be alright there, and this goes from 2 to 3, and this goes from 3 to 4. And that's literally, so that'll get you a mark just for doing that, for splitting up each different bit. Now we've got to work out what the actual functions are. Now, this first bit here, okay, is this bit that I've drawn over rather badly. Okay, it's an x squared. Okay, so it's got something to do with x squared because it's a parabola. It's negative because it's upside down, if you know what I mean. And it is just like f of x equals negative x squared. So there you go. And the reason I know that is because -1 minus 1 is there, and that's 1 minus 1 as well. Okay, next bit is just y equals -4. So there you go. That's pretty straightforward. Okay, and the last bit is probably the hardest bit. That's this part here. Okay, but work out the grain, so it's y equals 4x. And then if I carried that on, it's going to be -16. Now I work that out by, well, I know that it's going to go, it goes 1, for every 1 it goes that way, it goes 4 down. So I need to travel another 3 left, don't I? So which means that's another 12 down. So from there, from -4 here, okay, it goes to -16. But you can do it any way you like. You could use y equals mx plus c. You know the gradient and you know a point on it, so you could find that. Or you could use y minus y1 equals m brackets x minus x1. Whichever way you use it is absolutely fine. Okay, but ultimately that's what you're doing.